What happens if you eat exactly 100 grams of protein every single day? Does it automatically build muscle, burn fat, or cause harm? Protein is made up of amino acids, the essential biological building blocks of the body. Your body constantly breaks down its own tissues, relying on a steady supply of these blocks to repair muscles, create vital enzymes, and sustain life. The recommended daily allowance, the bare minimum required just to keep an average adult alive and functioning, hovers around 50 to 60 grams. Pushing that intake up to 100 grams moves your body out of a basic survival state and into a state of physical optimization. Reaching this 100-gram mark provides a consistent surplus of building blocks, moving the body from simple maintenance into the transformations that unfold over a 30-day period. Those changes start manifesting within the very first week of the diet. The most immediate, undeniable effect is a sharp drop in daily hunger, replaced by a prolonged sense of fullness after meals. This chart compares hunger hormone levels over an 8-hour window. On a low-protein diet, you see these erratic spikes driving cravings. But on a high-protein diet, the line stays remarkably low and flat, because protein directly suppresses the release of hunger signals in the brain. For anyone physically active, the first 7 days bring a noticeable reduction in delayed onset muscle soreness, allowing the body to recover faster between workouts. The primary shift in week 1 is internal, the biological suppression of hunger signals and the accelerated priming of your body's recovery systems. Moving into weeks 2 through 4, the benefits shift from immediate physical sensations to systemic internal adaptations. Take a look at this graph representing blood sugar levels. A high-protein diet smooths out the erratic waveforms caused by carbohydrate crashes, overriding them with a continuous, stable baseline of daily energy. Your body also starts expending significantly more energy simply digesting your food. Breaking down protein requires a much higher thermal output than digesting fats or carbohydrates. Even with this metabolic shift, protein remains a raw material. It does not spontaneously generate muscle mass on its own. As this visual equation lays out, getting 100 grams of protein is only one part of the math. You have to add consistent resistance training, sufficient total caloric intake, and adequate sleep to equal actual muscle synthesis. Protein provides the premium fuel, but an active lifestyle and proper physical recovery are the engine that drives the transformation. Since human biology varies wildly, we have to ask if 100 grams is the right number for every single person. Your exact protein requirement shifts based on specific variables like your body weight, your age, underlying health conditions, and your daily activity volume. The practical challenge is actually consuming that amount using whole foods, rather than relying heavily on processed powders and supplements. Hitting the goal efficiently requires focusing on high-yield sources, mixing animal and plant options like chicken breast, eggs, Greek yogurt, fish, lean beef, cottage cheese, beans, lentils, and tofu makes the target easily achievable. Combining these different sources throughout the day ensures your digestive system absorbs a complete profile of all the necessary amino acids. Ultimately, 100 grams is an effective aspirational benchmark, but long-term consistency dictates the final result. Try hitting that 100-gram daily goal for the next 30 days and see how your body responds. Let us know how it goes in the comments, and be sure to subscribe for more science-backed fitness breakdowns.